This video is not about why you should have an email list, but about how to actually build an email list. Because you already know why you need an email list. You need an email list to follow up with the people that you attract with your content, to let them know how you can help them solve their problem, and follow up with them to earn money, specifically if you're an affiliate marketer, by letting them know about the offer that you have that ultimately solves their problem. So first things first, click the link in the description, head over, grab your free GetResponse account. This is an email autoresponder. It's also a landing page builder. It's going to let you build pages to let people know about your offer. Then when you let people know about your offer, they're going to sign up to your email list. So first things first, go ahead, enter your full name, your email, add a password, and create your account. Then once you do that, you will sign up with that email that you used to create the account and that password, and you'll simply click login. And you'll be logged into your GetResponse account, and you'll be ready to come up to tools, come down to contacts. Then you'll be ready to create a list. Here you'll enter your list name. Now, of course, when you first sign up for your account, this might look a little different, but understand that the concept here is the same. You are creating a list. Your very first list for free. That link is in the description for that account. But before we go any further, let me give you a strategy, a simple strategy. It's called my top strategy. It starts with traffic. Traffic is helpful content. I like to start here on YouTube because you are going to want to be able to get people over to your offer. Of course, those people are the people that you're going to be adding to that new email list that you're creating right now inside of GetResponse. So we're going to go back. We're going to create a list. In this case, I have an offer, and that offer is for taking action online. To kickstart your online business venture with our step-by-step action plan. There will be a link in the description so you can see the page that we build, and also you can test this out and see this in action for yourself, and also check out Taking Action Online if you're looking to build your own online business. It is a great training that you can access right now currently for $1. Now we're going to utilize all that information, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this TAO for Taking Action Online. I'm going to call it Taking Action Online or TAO_YouTube_email list because I'm going to be using this link here on YouTube to build an email list. Here I'm going to select my broadcast TAO 30mm or 30-minute marketing list. It's going to copy the settings that I already set. So all of my information about the name of my business, my address, and all the information required for canned spam, and I'm going to go ahead and say create list. So now you can see that that list has been created and there are 0 contacts. So what do we do now? Now what we want to do is we want to go back up to tools, and we want to build a landing page. The landing page is going to be the page when you click the link in the description, you're going to land on that page. You're going to see the information. It's going to have a headline. It's going to have a form on there. Then you're going to enter your name and your email. You've done this many times. You've seen the way this works, but you may not have actually ever done it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the top strategy, and we're going to walk through this because we are using YouTube for traffic. So just like you are watching this video, you're going to do the same thing I'm doing. You're going to make a video about something that interests you. You're going to sign up to GetResponse. You're going to create your list. Then you're going to create a landing page. And that landing page is going to tell people about an offer. The offer in this case is Taking Action Online. So we're going to use this page right here. This is the sales page for Taking Action Online. This is the offer. This is ultimately what people that sign up to this list will see. So what we want to do is we want to use this information. For example, this headline, kickstart your own online business venture with our step-by-step action plan. Then when you click this button here that says get started today, it takes you down to all the reasons that you should join Philip Bowerman inside of his course. He has these bullets here. Then he also has some information here that it's only $1. It's a one-time payment. There is no funnel or upsell, just the $1 payment. I'm going to highlight that because I'm going to use that information on the landing page that we're building over on GetResponse to build our own email list before we let people know about the offer. So back to the top strategy and what we're doing here, we are driving traffic by generating content just like what I'm doing here. So take this example and see what I'm doing. I'm creating a piece of content to show you how to create an email list. I'm also letting you know that I have an offer as an affiliate for a product, a training product that will show you how to build your own online business. I'm going to build a landing page using GetResponse that we signed up for. GetResponse is going to double as our landing page builder and our email autoresponder. And then the people that see that offer, I'm going to add them to that email list and then follow up with them with more information about the offer and later on down the road, additional offers. But first, I want them to know about the offer or I want them to be able to see exactly what the offer is once they sign up to my email list. So we're going to go back to GetResponse, and you can see here you can build landing pages, and to do that you simply select create landing page. Then it's going to ask you, how do you want to build your landing page? You want to use the AI Power Builder, or do you want to use a ready-made template? We're just going to go ahead and select and use a ready-made template here in this video. So at this point, all of these templates are going to load, and you are going to be overwhelmed, and you're going to be like, oh my goodness, what am I supposed to pick? You're supposed to pick something that you think resonates with your audience. Typically, this is just me looking at something going, okay, what can I use to build a landing page that is just a squeeze page, meaning it just has one thing to do. Enter a name, enter an email list. Or enter a name and their email to join my email list. So I like this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and say use template. Then when that template loads up, it's going to have all kinds of stuff here that we don't need. But understand that it is a template, and all we need to do at this point is we need to use the things that we need and go ahead and delete the things that we don't need. So we'll go ahead and select this one and we will delete, and you can see the section settings have popped up here, but all I want to do at this point is delete the selections or delete the sections that I don't want. So now I have deleted everything except for add your title, a paragraph here that we're going to use, name and email, which those are the sections of the form. And again, you can see every time I click on something, it changes the options over here for me to set up the form or to build out the landing page. But I want to go back to this concept of add your title. What is this going to be? This is going to be your headline. This is going to be the hook that gets people into your email list or onto your email list because they want the offer or they're interested in what you said in, for example, your video. They clicked on the link in the description, they land on the page, and they're like, okay, why do I want to give my name and my email over to this person to be added to their email list? So remember, I said my offer was taking action online, and the offer is to kickstart your online business venture with our step-by-step action plan. So I'm simply just going to copy that. And yes, I can do that. I can copy and paste it because I'm an affiliate, and Philip wants me to succeed by promoting his product, so he allows me to do this. If you don't know about that, if you don't know about the product you are promoting as an affiliate, check their regulations or reach out and ask them. But in this case, all I'm going to do is then paste this in there, and you can see here that that pasted in there and it pasted in. Does it look good? Probably not. So we'll go ahead and we will change this. Or what we'll do at this point, because I don't like this formatting, is I will just go ahead and just undo that. Again, it's just a page builder. It's just like any other page builder out there that you've probably messed with, maybe inside of WordPress, ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, whatever you use. The problem there is it brought the formatting over from the other page. I'll solve that problem by opening up a text editor. Of course, I am on a Mac. If you are on Windows, use Notepad. Then I'll just copy that here from inside of my text editor, which will clear the formatting. Then once that's pasted in, you can see I have the headline. Here, I just want to add some more information. Again, I'm going to go back to the offer, my offer that I am utilizing to build my landing page, or the information from the offer on the sales page. I want it to be congruent. I want it to match up. So I'm going to go ahead and click get started today, because all this information here is fantastic. But what I want to focus on is this information right here. There's no funnel or upsell, just the $1 payment. But I'm also going to grab this headline right here, and I'm going to work those in together. And again, I'm going to paste that into my text editor to clear any formatting that might come from the web page. Then I'm going to go back to GetResponse, going to highlight that text, and then I'm simply going to paste in what I want them to see. What are you waiting for? Start the training right away and build your business in just a few hours. Then I'm going to put a carriage return in right there, and then I'm going to center that as well as center that. So basically what I've done here is I've built a landing page. It says, kickstart your online business venture with our step-by-step action plan. What are you waiting for? Start the training right away and build your business in just a few hours. There is no funnel or upsell, just the $1 payment. I'm just going to go ahead and change that to a $1 payment. Here, then I'm going to click on the sign up form, and I'm perfectly okay with everything here, which is name and email, as well as the sign up button. So I'm going to go ahead and select continue. It's going to take me to the next phase, which is actually adding the subscription settings, which is setting up or connecting the landing page with the email list that we built. So I'm going to say add new contacts to which list. And here I'm going to select Tao YouTube email list, which is the list that we built at the beginning of this video. You can see here there are some other toggles. Send an opt-in confirmation email. That's if you want to use double opt-in. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I'm also going to turn off add contact to an autoresponder cycle. And then I'm just going to scroll down and say continue. There are lots of other information here. For example, the landing page statistics. I'm going to go ahead and leave that on. And then I'm just going to say continue. And then here we can here we can name our landing page. Here I'm just going to call this the Tao YouTube offer. And I'm going to change this to Tao YouTube offer. And you can see here, then I can select the domain because the landing page is actually going to be at a site or a domain name. So I'm going to go ahead and use GetResponseSite.com, grwebsite.com, or gr-site. I'm going to go ahead and go with gr-site just because, for no other reason, then I just want to go with that one. You can also make a custom landing page and you can connect a domain you own, or you can buy a domain. We're going to skip that. We don't need to do any of that, and we're doing all this for free. And I'm going to go ahead and click publish. Then at that point, you can see all the statistics and everything, all the traffic that is coming into your landing page. Obviously, this has no visitors or page views because I haven't actually published it or I haven't put it out on the internet yet. It's going to be in this video. There's a link in the description. So you can go ahead and click that. You'll see it, the Tao YouTube offer. Go ahead and click that link. You'll see here that I forgot and I left this logo and this Facebook and this X, this top bar up here. I'll go ahead and clean that up later, but all you need to do is go back into the builder and delete that section just like we did. But you can see kickstart your online business venture with our step-by-step action plan. What are you waiting for? Start the training right away and build your business in just a few hours. There's no funnel or upsell, just a $1 payment. Enter your name and enter your email address and go ahead and click sign up. And at that point, they get the green check and they've been signed up to your email list. And you can make this more complicated, but this is how simple it is to actually get someone to join your email list. Now they need to go check their email. And you need to go back and check the email list that you just built, because here you can see Tao YouTube email list, number of contacts 1. If we go ahead and we click that list, you'll see here that the sign up form was from the website, and the website was the Tao YouTube email list. Landing page that we built, it added them to the Tao YouTube email list, contacts list. Now we have started building an email list, just that simple. Start building an email list today. You need traffic. Again, like I said, you know I love traffic here from YouTube. Go ahead, start creating videos about the offer. Help people see that you have a solution for the problem they have. Build that squeeze page. Go ahead and just utilize the information from the offer page you have. Build out a nice landing page to let them know that they can get that offer by signing up to your email list. They'll go ahead, they'll enter their name, enter their email. Then they'll be added to your email list. And all you need to do at that point is go back into GetResponse, go under Tools. Look for automation, because automation is where you're going to be able to set this up. Because once people sign up to your list, you want to have this automated and you want to have this running in the background so that when people sign up to your list, GetResponse will start sending out emails for you. And the great thing about GetResponse is you can come over here and you can click here and you can go to their interactive guides. You can click watch and learn. And then all you have to do is choose a category about email marketing. If you want to learn everything that they have to teach you about email marketing, it's going to be right here in their video tutorials, as well as automation. Again, setting up the automation so everything just starts happening in the background, because now you have done everything you need to do to simply start building your email list. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.